So, hi Cyrus, welcome to Bollywood Life.
Thank you so much, Imran. How are you?
I'm good. I'm good. How are you doing?
I'm doing well, man. I'm doing very well. Just at home, as usual, in my bedroom, getting used to these super casual Zoom chats. I've been doing a lot of these this week,
I guess the
and
virtual is a new real. I guess so. We have to get used to this
yeah,
now. How is the
yeah,
experience of
yeah.
interviewed virtually now?
I'm actually enjoying it quite a bit because I found recently, like I was actually doing what you're doing. I was
Right.
hosting
I know.
some people for quite a series I was doing with a lot of chats, and I've realized something very strange, which is at home in this environment because there's no makeup and there's no hair and there's no other stuff.
Right.
After a certain point in time, there's a certain level of honesty and non-judgmentalness
True.
that sort of emerges, which I found otherwise doesn't exist in an interview.
Correct.
You know that when you're saying, "Acha, aap bataiye, kaisa hai ye wo? Let's take a break." You know what I mean? Everyone like stops looking at each other and starts looking at their phones.
Right. I understand that because it's a sense of comfortness in your place. Like you are very comfortable at your place. You feel safe and you can say something which
Yeah, yeah,
you won't say in an environment where all when you're surrounded with people, three, four cameras mounting at you. I guess.
yeah. I think there's
Right.
something about that. Though, yeah, of course, working from home can be a pain in the ass because of the fact that like you may have other people walking around. Uh, the mood at home may not be great. You know what I mean? Those are
Right.
other problems that you have to deal with.
So we're here to talk about your show, The Missing Apron. All right. So everyone on the internet has like they've turned into like a cook while doing this lockdown. So I want to know that क्या आप भी cook बन गए हो during the time of lockdown?
यार मेरे साथ क्या हुआ कि ये लॉकडाउन obviously for everyone it was a very sudden experience but
Right.
क्या हुआ कि मैं I found myself at home alone
Mm-hmm.
for over 60-70 days now
Mm-hmm.
and I had मेरे पास जैसे I had 2 or 3 dishes I could cook really well and
Mm-hmm.
otherwise I was below average in
Okay.
everything.
Right.
So I was like suddenly left with this life suddenly and मेरी ambition ही मैंने I have not posted one single food on any form of social media
Oh wow!
because
Congratulations.
thank you very much sir, thank you, because I realized that like now hashtag MasterChef has become the new hashtag Maldives. You know what I mean? Earlier it used to be like couples in Maldives and you're
Right.
sitting in freaking Khandala and you're like, why? Just when I was happy, now I see this image and I'm like, I'll never be as happy as them. They look so good.
Right.
I look so bad. So I'm like, now that shit started with food, you
Okay.
know, like food that looks beyond my expectations. So I said, मैं तो बस pass हो जाऊं वही बहुत है. So I've done a lot of dal chawal. I've made some Thai food, not because Thai food is cool,
Mm-hmm.
but Thai food is actually very easy to make comparatively to Indian food. So
Right.
now I've become a pretty decent cook, yeah. But I
Okay.
hate cutting stuff. I hate it.
We all do, right? We all do.
So मतलब ये नहीं दिखाते कुकरी शो पे काटते हुए मत,
पहले से
you know what
काट
I
के
mean?
रखा होता है सब उनके पास में.
Yeah,
They just
man.
take it and
And
then spoon it.
how nicely they put it all in bowls and all, and you like half a bhindi is hanging out of your fork, and you're like throwing stuff in. I mean, I don't know. People have real class. I don't have that class at
All
all.
right.
I'm just like a get by cook.
Okay, as far as I know, the show is about like Aam Janta cooking at their house, right? And you'll be helping them like figure out how to cook at home and in a very easy way. Is that the show
No,
about?
the missing apron is a really fun, quick concept because we have a chef with us,
Yeah.
and Ananya, and she is someone who's fantastic. But what she's doing is she's making food that looks good, some of the classics like a biryani, you know what
Mm-hmm.
I mean? But she understands that अभी घर पे अगर हमारे पास मान लो कलौंजी नहीं है या ये नहीं है या ये वाला स्पेशल मसाला नहीं है तो
Right.
इसके ऑल्टरनेटिव्स भी बहुत सारे हैं और उसके जरिए इट्स अ 5 minute fun cookery show where we discuss a little bit of life. She
Mm-hmm.
works with food, she works with making some quick drinks, and I obviously am there as a student just trying
Okay.
to figure out stuff and hopefully ask questions that an audience may ask,
All right. Okay. Okay. That's
मतलब
interesting.
आधा चम्मच या पूरा चम्मच, you know.
That's always confusing. People think it's very easy to put like full chammach or आधा chammach, but that decides the taste. कि आप आधा chammach डाल रहे हो, full chammach डाल रहे हो, right? That's a very
बहुत
big
irritating
question.
है यार. Have you cooked, Imran? Have you cooked?
I know.
Do you
I've been
understand the
cooking.
problem?
Yes.
Dude, it's huge. I have screamed and all. और फिर ना छोटी सी चुटकी नमक. अबे कितनी बड़ी चुटकी, इतनी बड़ी चुटकी. आपके हाथ इतने छोटे हैं, मेरे इतने बड़े. ये मैं क्या करूं? I mean, it changes the game, you know. So those things are the things that I was really asking, and I've had fun shooting it. Very difficult shoot for me, but that's because I'm home alone, and itne saal ho gaye, I didn't have any lights, I didn't have a tripod stand. So matlab main books ke upar apna phone laga ke we were trying to communicate with each other. But what a learning and fun.
Oh, that's amazing. Yeah, because you have something to look forward at home. But I want to also know about your mental space right now, what you've been going through. It's been like more than 3 months that we have been locked in, and people like us, we need to go out and explore things, and we need to chat with people. Now we're doing it virtually. I want to know what's your mental space is right now, and how you're dealing with it.
Man, I actually had it's been an interesting time for me, because surprisingly for me, I think अगर आप घर पे especially अकेले रह रहे हो ना, all your monsters come and visit you every day. Like all the things that you spent a whole lifetime running away from, you're sort of with them now. And it's been an interesting time to also make peace with so many things in my life which I otherwise was kind of running away from.
Right.
But also it was a good time for me to observe so many जो इतनी बुराइयां हम में है ना, उसको अगर हम दूसरों के साथ होते हैं तो उसको प्रोटेक्ट करते रहते हैं.
Correct.
बट अब अगर अपने आप के साथ है ना, तो क्या होता है कि थोड़ा समय मिल जाता है इन चेंजिंग योर माइंडसेट अ लिटिल बिट. And I've just tried to be a little more gentle with myself, enjoyed making mistakes and stop being so critical. Like I learned something very weird. I don't know what you learned about yourself, Imran. Like I learned that एक दिन क्या हुआ कि मैं घर पे, और आप घर पे रहते हैं ना, मैं inherently messy इंसान हूँ. तो मतलब एक प्याला यहाँ फेंका हुआ था, एक झाड़न यहाँ थी, और मैं सुबह उठा and I suddenly realized कि यार this is getting on my nerves, and I started having a fight with myself.
Okay.
Saying ये तुम्हारे बाप का घर है क्या? ये मतलब कहीं भी कुछ लगा रहे हो, ये क्या है, इसका कौन साफ करेगा? आज के बाद अगर एक और बर्तन यूज किया तो मतलब हाथ तोड़ दो.
Okay.
Right. Then I started to realize who am I talking to? I'm alone at home and this is me. And I realized we have this double voice. We are doing an action and there's always someone, we are also judging our action all the time.
Right.
So I'm trying to kill the critical voice and trying to have fun with it. So I'm trying there, bro. आज ऐसा हूँ, अब कल पता नहीं, you know what I mean? Every day is one
correct,
new drama.
But we have to get used to this thing. Also, right now, I also want to discuss with you this as well. What's going in our industry right now? You know, junior artists, camera person, they don't have work right now. Everyone's going through their own battle. People are giving it up. You know, 2 weeks ago there was some manager who gave up a life. We heard about Sushant. That's very disturbing right now. But what can we do in our place right now, where we are in right now, to help such people? You know, spread a message that it's time not to give up. We have to have faith, and things will be better next day. What can we do?
Yeah, man. I think that first of all, like it's super important through incidences like these, you start realizing that like all of us have this habit of living in our own little bubble. Right. And we can be very indulgent as human beings to that aspect of life. All of us, and I think that it's, you know, I don't blame human beings as much as I blame the fact that the way we live in the world we've created for ourselves is leading to that. Like I was talking to a friend of mine last night about just the burden of happiness nowadays. Like I feel that I have to be like, even happiness has become a pressure for me, because everyone is so happy. Like even if you have a moment where you're in despair or you're discussing something, they'll be like, "Aise mat soch, be positive, you know," and that's also bottling up human emotion.
Right.
I think the best thing to be is try to tap in a little bit, bro. At least I'm trying. I don't have any options on. Try to understand. Try to be as compassionate and calm with yourself. And if you are like that with yourself, you start becoming like that with the world. You know. And I also think that social media really needs to be understood. You know, क्योंकि मुझे लगता है कि अगर आप 1970s या 80s में होते तो आप दिन में एक बार अखबार पढ़ते हैं और आपके पास और कोई खास इंफॉर्मेशन नहीं है. और आज के जमाने में you're triggered constantly by people.
And you've been feeding.
And social
media
is not.
With news. Right.
Yeah, bro. And it's also your brain is naturally wired to only pick negativity
Right.
and keep it because that's how your ancestors learned to hide from fire. Ke haath jal jayega.
Right.
So I think that as a society we need to stop uh, worrying. Start understanding that there are things that people are going through. That keeping the mind happy and peaceful more than even happy is a conversation we need to open up to with
Right.
everyone. क्योंकि हमारे देश में तो पता नहीं कितने स्टिग्मा है.
Mm-hmm.
And I think that we all need to really wake up and understand that a lot of the things that trigger us or make us feel inadequate about society don't even exist. Like we are a generation like of sad people with a lot of happy pictures. I was
That's
reading
true.
this line somewhere,
True. True.
and so I think we need to really come back to ourselves and be gentle with the world because it's a tough life. I don't think that the world or it's only the media industry. Honestly, it's every industry. It's just life, and so we all need to be compassionate and try to build skills
Right.
that help us cope with life because life is relentless, man. Never
Nice, sir,
stops.
because what happens, Cyrus, nowadays on my social media, I get a lot of messages saying that Imran, I'm not being productive right now. They're taking the pressure of being productive when they're in lockdown. There's nothing to do. The world is shut right now, and a lot of youngsters are texting me like that and saying, Imran, what to do? I
Yeah,
don't
man.
have anything to do, and I'm taking the pressure of being productive. What do you think? They should take this pressure, or they should for now just calm down and wait for the things to get okay and go out in the world and then do something out there? What do you think about that?
यार I mean ये I don't even know if it's their problem. Like मेरे साथ भी हर रोज हो रहा है क्योंकि मैंने एक प्लान परचेज कर लिया है एक
Mm-hmm.
प्रोडक्टिविटी का प्लान
Okay.
and even though you've read this message hundreds of times on across the board that this is not a productivity contest and all that, there are
Mm-hmm.
people with real problems. They don't have jobs, they need the money, they have rent issues, they have families that they have to take care for, and it's a really difficult time, and I think it's okay to say it's a very difficult time so that we can start discussing that
Correct.
rather than saying no, let's be positive. I don't understand. I don't even understand what that means. But for them, I think that uh, as I said earlier, they should be gentle with themselves. कि भाई ये, in a way, it's interesting that we are all. I read this and it was really interesting. We are all not in the same boat, but we are in the same storm.
Correct. Makes sense.
You know what I mean?
Makes sense.
And
Yeah.
so they need to also be gentle with themselves. Yeah, I mean, you're going through so many things. एक माहौल भी इतना भारी है. So maybe they should do things in their capacity to learn skills that when this all opens up, they can go out there and be productive. And I think it's also a good time if you can afford to spend a little time just contemplating, being kind, peaceful with yourself, and because there's so much pressure of this so-called productivity. Actually, I see some of the most. I mean, even with this show, I did a couple of other shows. I don't like to post too much about it,
Correct.
because it puts pressure on other people. Oh, what am I doing? What am I doing? And it's even I'm doing nothing. Really, 90% of the day I am just acting busy. I'm not really being productive, and that's also a behavior I'm trying to unlearn.
Okay.
So I think learn a skill, and if that skill means you don't want to learn something heavy, learn cooking, clean your house, make your bed. I've learned that if I make my bed every morning properly,
Yep.
okay, and then make a nice cup of coffee or chai and make breakfast, मेरा brain मुझे कहीं ना कहीं लगता है इतना accomplishment हो गया. तो मैं
Right.
छोटे-छोटे I live in small compartments and I give myself a reward for small achievements.
That's a great thing to learn about. That's a very
Yeah,
good
man.
advice. That's a very good advice. I
Because I realize if
forward
I
your
see,
advice.
like, dude, I think there's a cutoff mark to inspiration. Like, if I see a guy do 50 push-ups and then 20-minute planks, I don't feel like working out.
Okay.
I feel like I'll never get there. I'm like, मैं अब तो कोई chance ही नहीं है, क्या कर रहा हूँ, क्यों कर रहा हूँ, मैं depression में चले जाता हूँ. I like छोड़ो. And so I realized it's like baby goals,
Right.
Instead of these so-called big achievements that everybody keeps tom-tomming about on social media. Or look at me, I'm so busy. Or look how happy I am. Look how happy my wife is.
Right.
Bullshit.
Correct. That's a very good advice. I'll take that advice and I'll pass it forward. That's a very good one. So I have some lockdown question as well. It's called quarantine questions. All right. I have some fun related social media questions. These are all youngsters and fans asking on the social media, my platform. So let me shoot one of the question. If you had a chance to get locked down with a particular celeb, okay, it has to be a celeb. Who would you choose as your lockdown partner? Isko chunenge aap.
yaar, any one of those like judges on MasterChef, man. I don't need a friend.
Okay.
Let me be really honest, Imran. I need a person who can help me cook.
Okay.
अब भाड़ में गए, I have no interest in celebrities who
Alright.
have no skills.
Okay.
Because I have look at my hands, Imran. I am a human dishwashing machine. मैं दिन में 12 घंटे ये करते रहता हूँ. I'm like my hand feels like Scotch Brite. You know, I shave with my hand now.
Yeah.
So
I
I
get
don't
it.
want a celebrity who's cute. If you're cute and you're really lovely, I don't want to know you. Thank you. You have any skills? I'm in.
All right.
Show me your yeah. So MasterChef, any of the MasterChefs who can cook, boss, come on, come home. मैं अपने दरवाजे खुद ही बंद कर दूंगा.
That's a good one. All right. Tell me, what
Yeah.
shows are you currently binge watching, and you recommend your fans to go ahead and watch those shows?
I loved Patal Lok, man. It was amazing.
Amazing.
मजा आ गया मुझे यार. मतलब मुझे लगा कि अब ऐसा हो गया कि पाताल लोक is not a good Indian show. It is a show at par with any of the great shows around the world.
Correct.
Well written, beautifully acted, amazing. So I saw that. I saw the show called Barry, which I saw on I think on Hotstar, which I really liked. मेरी फिल्म आ रही है यार. मेरी फिल्म मैं अभी याद आया बहुत.
Okay.
Please watch that. It's on the 18th of June. I know you said okay in a way that you're not going to watch it, Imran, but I'll call you.
I'm gonna watch it. Obviously, it's my work to watch it.
I'll watch you from my window watching my film. I don't see concentration, Imran.
Don't worry, I have to watch it. Yeah, I have to.
It's called Kadak. It's launching on the 18th of June on Sony Live. It's got a really great cast. It's a story of a Diwali party and the visit of unwanted guests and how everything from morals, friendship goes left to right.
All right.
In one night. It's a dark comedy. So Ranveer Shori, Kalki Kochalin,
Wow.
Tara Sharma, Shruti Seth, I'm there. Rajat Kapoor directed. It's a
I'm
really
sold.
nice ensemble
I'm
piece.
sold. I'm sold. I'm sold. I'm gonna watch it on the first itself. I'm sold now. Sold.
Yeah. You have 50 rupees. चलो 25 में बात खत्म करते हैं चलो.
ठीक है. Okay, done. All right. So tell me, since we all locked in at home, what is your favorite activity and least favorite activity? I know that Bartan is not your favorite activity right now, but what about Jharu, Pocha, and everything? What about
Love
that?
it. Love it. I love it. It makes me feel like I'm somebody, like I'm doing something with my life. And then what I do is मैं रात को झाड़ू पोंछा करता हूँ.
Okay.
हालांकि my mom said that मत करो, आत्मा आती है घर से. I mean I'm alone. अभी जाए तो ठीक है यार, थोड़ी बातें हो जाएगी. But I do it because मैं वो जो 1-2 घंटे होते हैं ना सुबह को जब मैं उठता हूँ, क्योंकि मैंने रात को सफाई कर दी है, मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि मैं कैसे कितना अच्छा इंसान हूँ और कितनी अच्छी तरह जीता हूँ, क्योंकि घर इतना साफ है. फिर I go back to my usual terrible untidy life. And then it's downward, and then I get angry with myself, and then I go mad, and then I come back again. It's a roller coaster of emotions every morning. But for that 2 hours, I wake up and the house is sparkling though. So I love doing that. I'm also trying to be I wouldn't say productive, but I find I watch one video on YouTube and then I've gone to some other video and then 3 hours have passed. Like
I get that.
Like I believe I don't know where I am from 5 in the evening to 8 at night. Like that time lapse ho jata hai, matlab jump cut. So I'm not trying to be productive as much as I'm trying to be somebody who's doing things that he enjoys, because it's also changed my point of view living alone.
Okay.
And I've been checking up on a few friends, just wondering how they are doing. It's very difficult for some people, man, stuck at home, dealing with so many emotional problems, so many financial issues. So I just keep checking up on a few people.
We should do that, because after Sushant, now I feel like the industry it's already up and running right now, and people are considering each other, like they're calling each other to check on each other, I guess.
Yeah, man. Yeah, and I think that like we also should understand that like there are things that you need to really see a professional, because the advice that you may get from people who are your friends may be kind, but not the kind of help you need. You need to go to get access to professions or read up about how you're feeling. It's difficult in life, and I don't think we should read judgment. I don't even know. No one knows what he was going through, what his life was. I find so many posts of people just reaching a judgment on how he was or what he was going through. because of his profession. I mean, that's just one part of his life.
Right.
एक इंसान की जिंदगी में पता नहीं क्या-क्या चल रहा है.
Right.
You know, so I do spend my day like that.
I hope, yeah, thank you so much for chatting with me. I hope the world that we go in after this lockdown is going to be a more humble world, a more loving world. And we try to be more human, and we try to be good up towards the nature and each other. Yeah, I hope
so, man. I really do, bro.
Thank you so much, and best of luck for the Missing April, and best of luck for the upcoming movie. I'm sure I'm going to watch it. I'm going to call you back again, and we can have a chat on that as well. Cool?
Please do that, Imran. Thank you very much, man. Thanks for your time.
Man. See you. Bye-bye.
Cheers, brother. Cheers.